Let's go! Yeah, let's go! Guys, let me show you the easiest way to get money. It's all about one husband. What are you waiting for? It's easier way to get money. Just register with the promo code Vision 2020 whilst watching Peer Pressure series. Adombi Sege and get your 200% bonus with your first deposit. One husband, you Akosua, now I'm solid. Just say I'm solid.
Money never try lost. All of a sudden you go make come like young.
Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
What is the problem? Why are you ranting? We are in public. Now people are here. We
are in public. When you were looking at Sandy's butt at the poolside, was that your bedroom? Huh? Tell me, was that your bedroom?
Why are you hiding me from knowing your house? Am I not good enough to be your girlfriend that you introduce me to your parents or take me to your house? Sheila and Debbie knows their boyfriends' houses. Except me. You always want to fuck me in a hotel. Why a prostitute?
At the end, one pair your crab, one pair. More be more pressure. Pim caught on strong man best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for same day I will be a lesbian. Fraud boys P no boy over class hour the banks no team seen to the bank. More name break. And Satanya back you 240. Peer pressure. If the reals one can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became more jago for the cancel. Trying to 7 flags I know any other. Sugar mama phone a date or no didn't come out what you say yeah my papa.
Be any fear free me to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free me to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a befall, peer pressure befall. A befall, peer pressure befall. A befall, peer pressure befall. A befall, peer pressure befall.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, 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 peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure. Pressure.
Be any fear free me to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free me to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a befall, peer pressure befall. A befall, peer pressure befall. A befall. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before.
Charlie, I swear I never know say person go complete school candle house weighing but they could bab like this. Hey! No, too much.
That's easy.
It's the slow. Boy, I see a high speed then click. My body salt. Oh, high speed then click. Forget it. Now, if you see them for town, do everything on session. Moga, let's go on. Make the money.
Out. One Charlie. See. Okay. High spirit in seminar car. Money me. Woman how I need live in school. Boy, you say Nema Kulapsi. And only idea. I say a trust me a plan you know how you be for pick it up. Now see, Alonso is there. When I at the car, make I tell you something. High speed in the money in your school. You say I was school and I will fee. Master, man. We talk about carrying something in the go right now. Say school. School then PSL or but it's almost sell passing. I love it.
Take it in time. No, first boy. First boy. First girl.
Alonso so I video you say we Jimmy you want video say we bibino say when you cancer ka we cry the hospital
o kasa no ahwe o kasa no
say you
so kasa no ahwe o kasa no
say you
cry me catch all so I will jot no wo kana wo kasa no kasa yi yale no yale fine ya fa bibi anto nche school no ewi ya befi ya forget to mo practice DNA e dey arise Charlie. He say locks in here, we be a block everything. Shut safe. So boy, I'm a client safe we make at the verse, he make at the verse. Hey, this client. Boga, you know something. You see that I know they tell you some guy. My party man this I thought Kingsman. Kings here. Yeah, Charlie the guy. Massive guy. When it comes to loading, shopping, waiting. You go buy Bitcoin, do waiting. That guy, forget it. Every 10%, every 1 point.
Sandy, why are you pressuring First Boy to introduce you to his parents? Girl, you are rushing too much.
Who is rushing and who is bothering someone to introduce her to his parents? Now let me ask you one question. Don't you know the Dawn and High Spirit houses?
Yes, we know.
Why do you ask? Good question. Is it wrong to know my boyfriend's house? Now, point of correction. I'm not asking him to introduce me to his parents, but rather I want to know where he stays, at least.
But are you okay? I'm fit. It's up. Patron. Almost there 4 months. Yatina Sierra Gala. The guy will look at 3 capsules as a meaning I go ahead and see. Okay, Gumbutum. All this one.
I've been able to place it. I've been able to breathe. Then you can breathe.
You mad. Pantalon, when yale. Sika go on me ye pesca lodi, ye pe baby lodiska, no ni mo be ma lodiska. O to am ka tese, magma sheshe. Sika na o pesca no so, adwun so sheshe.
I refuse boga.
Boy, so adwun ma shi akona copy plane. Udo puni fifi no watu. Why? So I I saw Udu.
Right now, I can remember see the party for the way we feel solve that issue. Give us simple. What is it?
I'm tired of moving from one hotel to the other.
Relax, girl. Don't you know his father is a pastor? And their mother is a deaconess? Can't you relax? At least you deserve hotel for now. So the right time comes. Huh?
Is that what you're telling me? That I deserve hotel rooms?
Of course.
I regret the first day I made friends with you. Stupid girl.
You are rather stupid. Sandy, look at her. Sandy. Hey. Leave her, man. I guess I'm not there. You're shit.
Who bet you will be found? What do you mean by now? Who do what your call? Means our kind Bible, first Bible.
Friend, one and I'm friend, and you need it. And only a day I bet Ranum. And yet, I split riding 120 days.
Charlie. If you want to put that coffee, Nana, would
you tell you there? Let's talk our matter.
I will feel call and back. We will go for a lot of our call and then because he said good house, but I see the point. And I said, dear, see, we'll make it meetings for where they go do that. What I say for that bush side.
Which is a band.
It's a friend of household. Oh, the cruise so rather than the percentage, one way 50%. Oh,
what's the corner right?
I got 2 cars, so he got a lot, but I don't want to show up.
Boy, and cutting a shot on the young
Kingsman, only dope man.
Sunday.
I'ma change everything about you.
We've been here for the past 5 minutes. And you are still not talking. What is wrong?
Is it not your friend? Fresh boy. He has still not shown me his house. And it worries me. How can I live with a guy and not know where he stays? How?
Are you really sure of what you are saying?
I am sure of what I am saying. And when I complain, he keeps telling me his father is a reverend and his mother is a deaconess and a whole lot of stories around it. I remember complaining to Sheila and Debbie, and they totally insulted me. What? Telling me I deserve hotel rooms, not a house.
What? They said this to you? Debbie and Sheila?
Yes.
This is not fair. I knew this from the beginning. That Fresh boy never loved you. Yes, and he still don't love you. How could he be so heartless? That is the reason why he don't want to take you home. And he's always taking that girl. Yes, the girl he is cheating on you with.
You mean Fresh boy is cheating on me? No.
Yes, of course. I know this, but I didn't want to betray him. And because of the love and the care I have for you, I can't just watch him destroy you like this. How? This is serious. You see, you are the one that I was interested in. But because Sheila came to me and admired me from the beginning, I didn't know what to do. So I just had to accept her. And Fresh boy was also interested in you from the beginning. So, and because of the friendship that we had, I had to let him take you. And now look at how he's treating you. I can't watch this. I can't watch him to do this to you.
Are you sure of what you're telling me?
I am 100% sure. You know, I can't lie to you. I really like you. And that of Sheila and Debbie, they didn't do well at all. How could they be so heartless? Instead of backing you, supporting you, they are rather insulting you. That is bad. Sandy, I'm ever ready for you. Forget about the pastor and the pastor. Did you put yourself on a store? Do about coffee, you know? Ando. Swallow work or do the quackle. Saga, another on the other nature. You have to be smart. I really like you and I don't want you to be crying, weeping, living your soul life. Nah. You are beautiful and more than this. Okay? I'm ever ready for you. Think about it. Trying to short, mommy. Why? The mommy is swimming, you know. Relax. Cool your body down. Not all guys are the same. So when I'm told them, wow.
I don't believe Fresh boy did this to me.
You have to believe. You ain't independent. Apart from me, you will be any. I'm a carry back, mommy. Why? That the OG way. So soon. Cool down. Don't rush, okay? They trying to come home, man. Why? Trying to come home. Nah, take your time. Hey! Stop crying. Please. Miss Shaw. I'm here for you. As for Sheila and Debbie, they shouldn't have said this to you. They are supposed to even support you. Okay, let's go. Sandy.
Charlie, we day on the road. We know the way for the hope. We making our best to grind. We never the last. I be you know. How much be your too much money? How much be your too many cars? Many friend porn with the blow more money. Money talk shall never compare with a swag. Sip my time no be walk lock. Get your mindset, never try road rust. Work hard for the money, never try loss. All of a sudden you go make come like
cool, I beg now call you back, yeah.
Charlie man know the rest. Same man know the best. So me pray for my homies.
That's it.
Kiss man.
That's it.
Everything cool. Charlie Makonzi.
Yeah.
Give the kiss man. I see them at the talking ladies.
I knew him. But me who know area me several times. Once a boy is there, you know.
You see. Charlie kiss man. That's it. I pardon me in the job with Makonzi.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And then we street family.
Oh, bro. See that?
Right. What do you want to ask?
Charlie, normal level Makonzi, kiss man. You say when I cannot tell you something, but like you know should I meet them vibe about that section. Yeah. So right now here we do. Charlie kiss man. Right now nothing to go on. All on account self block. Can't self if you test on the one can't with one ID in top self if you test out no value. Wicked way. But one advantage you get is you get some account for them. Account you are getting account Citibank. Yeah. So right now I'll make you load the bank. What I say. You down give us eventually.
Nice one.
Make you chop. Because they split the what.
Hey, but go. Fuck your head.
Account everything will be here. You meet me need everything source, you understand? Yeah.
I believe you now.
Every place the account you take come with challenge. It is jackpot, I tell you. Citibank, if you not joke.
I know.
But you get online.
Oh, I get everything.
I
get everything.
The ID.
I get
everything.
I get SSN all.
Okay, nice.
If you are even getting front of back of my ID card self.
Nice. But Charlie, the percentage you know that.
I know. So right now we do here the account there day. So make we talk about percentage, maybe see what we do.
But you know say normal circumstances will be 60%.
I understand.
Yeah. But since it's my party, I know you keep to understand. The family. So I will make them 50-50. Yeah. So you boy.
Charlie,
it's there, bro.
Charlie, I don't know if you do that give us.
It's the street law, bro.
So, no be joke. Since morning some guys have no get some chop. Since morning, no. Sure. They talk you know the things here. Charlie, I know. Since morning you get a little chop.
Why go be? Oh God, they will be full 100%. If you say you get the online access, everything, they are confirm. So you know, I want you understand. So anything there, I will expect you.
Charlie, kiss man.
My colleague,
Charlie, be yes, you know.
Charlie, small time.
More. Kiss man. I don't believe you.
Like I said, bro.
For money to blow. But this time it be me for the show. So my guy forget the whole thing. Trust the process. And never compare yourself to others. Be yourself and know you
Good to see you. Princess, I am so sorry I've not been able to come here ever since you got pregnant. I was afraid I would not be welcome to your home due to what happened way back in school.
Come on. No, I'm also sorry for anything stupid I did. Why didn't you bring Shayla and Debbie? I miss them so much.
Who? Those fools. I've stopped playing with them long time ago.
Hey, come on. We guys are like blood sisters.
Yes, it's true. But I want to live a good life now. So I'll stop playing with them.
Okay, that's fine. It's your life and you owe it.
Sure. Anyway, I brought you some provisions. Yes, that's Vela mineral water. It will help you in your pregnancy process. So you must take it.
Thank you so much.
And some fruit drinks.
Thank you. I don't even know how to express this feeling.
It's fine. Don't mention. Take this. You can buy yourself 1 or 2 things. And don't hesitate to call me when you need anything.
Oh my God. All this for me? My baby. Thank you so much. God bless you.
You deserve better.
God bless you. But there is one thing. I don't have a cell. I need a phone to call you.
For you. Don't worry, I'll be coming here next week and I'll buy you a phone.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
It's fine.
Who is she? Yeah, sister. She's my best friend way back in school. She brought me all the stuff, like for my baby and myself. Thank her for me.
My sister, thank you very much. May God bless you.
Amen.
Your headmaster even called us to let her come and write the exam. But she said she won't write.
Jesus. Oh, sister, you fond of doing this. Don't mind that.
Well, if you say so. Sis, everything is going to be fine, okay? Thank you. I'll take my leave now.
Sister, I want to respect her. Welcome back, sis. Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's much. Oh, see you.
I'm sure.
Oh, yeah, I'll find my way.
Okay.
Take off yourself.
Hey, but I love you. Oh, God.
School girls see me, need to buy open and for 70 hours by lesbian. For boys being a boy or back class hour, depends on what you see to Japan. Morning break, and Saturday about 240. Peer pressure, if you real so I can't see me never found, yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Mojago for the council, trying to 7 flags, yeah, I know any other. Sugar mama phone, a day to a new thing come out, what you're saying, yeah, my papa. Yeah, if you're free, to a BB, I do it too. Now for some,
What? Boy.
Take me pictures, though.
I can't come here.
Fortune. Boy.
Wow.
Yo, Ruth. Yo, man.
Actually.
Boy, mommy, have a word.
Why come?
51 minutes. Have it.
Babe, I'm coming.
Why? All the best. Why? Thank you. Wow. You know the lady that I was talking about.
Yeah.
The talk you say me and Alonso we met him no.
What she
say me best see me who get in na mo Pentecost junction so. But me sit down. Me here on phone.
Ah, bro. I saw me taking pictures with my girlfriend.
Boy,
I'm not done yet.
Boy, and check. Me tell me money who say yeah, me to use iPhone. Me tell me to convince me keke. That's all.
Convince her.
5 minutes I'll bring it.
Just want to win.
For sure, the girl say me to use iPhone. That's all. Bro, I beg.
No, bro, I trust you. Make sure you bring it on time, please.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Are you sure?
Oh, bro.
No problem.
Boy. But now, you could.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ali,
boy, you my bro. Boy, 5 minutes. 5 minutes time, you see me. Thank you, bro. Boy, thank you.
Oh.
Rude.
So who on this earth show Sandy my place to embarrass me yesterday?
Fresh boy, why do you talk to us as if we are your keys? How dare you? What do you take us for? Huh?
That's not the answer to my question. I want to know who directed Sandy to my place. Thank God my father was not there. He would have skinned me alive.
Fresh. I did. Yes. I directed Sandy to your house. How long is it going to take for you to show that girl your house? Huh?
Oh. So you told Sandy Joy has come to my place. So she should come and embarrass me. Okay. I thought you guys were good friends. But didn't know you were my enemy.
Hey. Hold it, fresh boy. You've dated these girls way back in SHS. And why don't you want to show Sandy your house? Huh? Now, you just dated Joy recently and he knows your house. How much more Sandy?
Hey, listen guys. None of you guys can be my life coach. You hear? I'm not part of this anymore. I'm out. I'm no more interested.
My friend boy. Hey. Friend boy. Don't move.
What? No, excuse me. What was that supposed to mean? You left me here
Just to follow that your friend?
You just want to have a word with him, that's all.
Which can't work with that one?
You know what?
Anyway, that's not what I'm really talking about. Let's continue. Take me pictures. Go and take me the pictures while we start and let's finish it now.
You said you want to read your phone to me like this.
What the hell is that? Fool and you swallow me. You just want to read a girl's house. You have a phone and you hardly get.
Listen, that doesn't mean that you don't have a phone. That's a phone, but you announced it.
Tell me something. He has a phone and he came for your phone and you probably give it to him. Like, what is that?
And that's the reason why he came here. Baby.
Hey!
I know, you just bring it and that's it. Okay?
I want to take pictures.
Baby.
Go and stand there and take me pictures with the same phone.
How can I take you pictures with that phone?
So who does that? How can somebody have a phone and then come for yours?
He's my friend and I know him very well. I don't think it's just a minute. Okay? And I'll just continue. Calm down.
Really?
Just put smile on your face and see after.
Which kind of smile?
Okay.
I'm kind of your lifestyle is that one. You have a phone.
Okay, that's what I'm telling you.
Sorry, I can't just tell me.
But are you leaving on what?
What am I supposed to do? We're just taking pictures, having fun as well, and you give the phone to your boyfriend. Like, how?
It's okay, it's okay.
Look at you. What happened? What happened?
Ball it. Yes, I said you be.
Okay, for baby.
For the sound number 2, I am normal. For girls, we are normal. We do see a professor Madonna. Or Chassis. For the sound number 2, I am normal. For girls, we are normal. We do see a professor Madonna. Or Chassis. And the boys is to buy a new top.
Man, what's up? Boy, now say, no uncle baby.
I don't want to check my woman ID top there anymore.
Boy, when you the last time I heard say you were saying say you need some phone, boy.
Yeah, I told my boy.
When you new phone have a system. iPhone 13. Boy, I make
iPhone
13.
Charlie make aspire. Hey.
Boy, when you easy. Obi can't chero. So wow, from home ma be so mu. Who feel say?
Collect the weight. Heavy.
When you tone crap ma unya be 13 years ni tone ni keke. When you tone.
When they use this for the way the guests will come. Ha, Charlie, you be ready. Charlie, you be ready.
Tell you, because me bro phone ana.
So this one, how much they sell?
Boy, and because you make it give me 8,000.
Bro, look at me. When you see me, I get 8,000.
You don't get 8,000. You don't use iPhone 13.
Look, I give you 2,000.
Well, not 2,000. Then you're top and champion.
Charlie, you know, life make hard. Life make hard. You are what?
No lie. 2,000 from Kasai. Boy, in your phone,
I know. Say the
brand new from amount. Boy,
Charlie,
you are the seller for you that price. You know,
the price boss move where you do. You for relax. You do some.
Boy, 4,500 last hour.
4,500.
You be my bro. That's the reason why.
Okay. Last 3,000.
Boy, nah, 3,000.
3,000 to you won't take
boy, 4,000 is okay.
Okay,
I mean, what's
3,500. I think I'm 3,500. 3,500. I they put for pocket.
3,500.
3,500 la. Hey. You to make a post give you an Hey.
Sama.
Hey.
Boy, the factory count. May you win to the factory count. 3.
You
Sama, when you make the arena, you be a boy.
You make this thing hard for me to buy. Buy you my party.
Boy. After 15, I mean, we don't come on. Now after 15, I wait me out. 13, you come up and 15, I wait me out.
I know. You will help me.
Boy, they also blame.
Then where you need help me, I will help you. So this time you for help me.
Boy,
my brothers they help each other.
Abraham, they are man. Boy, we what the co-op for pizza city and the could join them.
Charlie, that's why I go for pizza.
Them do them also.
Okay. 3.
Yeah.
Me, I don't get money here, so make I go take my card there. You go for ATM, I will cash out.
Summer.
I will go come out my card somewhere. They go for the ATM.
I do my best partner. When did you get your money?
Now if you now where they need fella.
Some baby, who you me because me want you may be away. Want to I'll see you with some new girls. I'll see you. Boy, Debbie, what's up?
Make I show you what is in. My main son, your home. You heard of 1xbet? 1xbet.
The betting company where them sponsor them are Barcelona's them football clubs outside the country, you know. Right, I heard say them go sponsor AFCON. Them get money, wow. Even if you stake bet, then you lose, then go give you bonus. After losing, you know, then go give you bonus. Join 1xBet now with the promo code Vision2020. Join, you get money, stake some bets and some cash.
Boy, yeah, bro.
You dey lose guard. Where you win them, the boys now where they play bet, you know. You don't come ask where we go give you odds, where you go play.
Boy, in the Pabonino.
Just saying.
I feel me because the last time I may go some channel beyond me, I'm going. So I'll be seen. Vision
2020.
The project with peer pressure.
Peer pressure. Vision 2020. It be the promo code.
Boy, you don't come do. But then you what's the man? You come do. Boy,
you hold on, make a go.
The first.
Okay.
Boy, I forget to know. Yeah, you do. 15 ever, 1 o'clock. But come my baby, come back to the below.
Next on peer pressure.
I was interested in you and still interested in you.
And what about Sheila?
On them. You pull up on them.
On them.
Take you on them.
You know, say you be our boy.
I cursed the day I set eyes on you two. You were the same people who caused princesses miserable life. Yes, the highest aimless fools.
Oh, so you came here to attack me on this common normal issue. When the first time you be here, say I'm cheating with Sandy on Sheila and causing confusion and a whole lot.
Not this normal.
K in the building. It's first to the Kyekyeku.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobi and Dada, more in Brady, and one pay your crab one pair. Mobi and my pressure, Pim Cock was from my best friend. School girl CP needs to buy open now for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be near boy or back class hour depends no one team seen to the bank. More in break. A Saturn about you 240. Peer pressure, if you real one can't see me near found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Kyekyeku for the council, trying to 7 flex I know any other. Sugar mama phone you date or no didn't come out what you say yeah my papa.
Obiani fear free to ye be agree to. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay. Obiani fear free to ye be agree to. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And that's a befoul, peer pressure befoul.